What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. We are back to videos again, right? You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
We are going to be going on.
You keep saying it, so I don't know.
Today we are heading out to do some looking for things for Easter. We have to get a what was it?
Well, we need to get a tablecloth.
Tablecloth and some other things. You guys can come along with us for the day and see what we end up doing. So stay tuned. Well, guys, unfortunately, we had to take a detour to Walmart.
Not.
Why are you going? Well, apparently we're going
I'm turning around to go the other direction.
Apparently, we're going to McDonald's, but we're not
we're
going.
not going.
We're not going to McDonald's, but we had to make a detour because there's an accident just down the street here. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys because
we're not even close to it
anymore. We're not close to it anymore.
We, like most normal people, went to go move.
Yep.
Out of the way
for the cop
to go by that had his lights go on,
and people were blocking him in,
and people just decided to cut me off.
Yep.
Where I had gone out to let room for the cop,
and block the cop off,
and then block the cop off.
But anyways, we're gonna go a different route to Walmart.
I'm trying to get to Walmart,
so we'll see you guys at Walmart when we get there.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit.
Well, guys, I've noticed here at this new Walmart, they are redoing everything here, and it's all pretty much like the U.S. So we're gonna go check the world. Well, guys, we're to Walmart. We're in the new area of Walmart. I guess this new area. Yeah, just looking for some few things here for our Easter dinner. But,
not necessarily just for Easter dinner, but we need new baking sheets.
Yeah. Because
ours are crap.
Yeah. So we're gonna look around and show you a little bit of what they've done here, as it's all being renovated here. So check out, we're gonna get a bit. Well, guys, behind that curtain over there is gonna be Planet Fitness by the sounds of it. As you can see, they're renovating this place like crazy right now. They put seasonal over here, but it looks like so everything's changed completely. Right?
What?
So they're changing everything.
Yes.
So we're gonna next up.
They're color changing, but they're just like the short ones.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm. Well, guys, we are done at Walmart. I think we're gonna head past our old house to see what's going on with that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then probably just head home.
Probably.
And because we have to set up our new bed.
Yeah, it's
gonna be interesting, but you guys gonna see how it works out. And
I don't even know how it's gonna work out, honestly.
Yeah. So you guys gonna see that in this video, and then yeah, it's just a hang out with Mike and Rheanna day.
Kind of behind the scenes, sort of.
Yeah.
But
I don't know. See about that. That's just me. But we'll see you guys in a little bit, and all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
Well, guys, we're back home from all our running around today. I'm going to show you guys a little preview of our bedroom that is finished up. So let's check it out. Well, guys, as you can see, we have a big screen projector up and running. We got our Netflix up and running, and then I just installed our new bed frame with lights underneath the bed, which is really cool to see. As you can see, it's like lit all around the bed. So as you can see, we now have a huge, massive, big screen TV. I think it's like I think it's 172 inches, from what I can tell. There we go. So yeah, we have Netflix. We have our Fire Stick on the wall here, so we watch TV at nighttime, and then with the bed frame, it's pretty cool. So guys, we're gonna hang out for a little bit. We're not sure what we're doing for supper yet because we have nothing to do right now. But we'll talk to you guys in a few minutes here and see what we do for the rest of the evening. Well, guys, it's about almost 8 o'clock at night. We're in the process of going to have some Smiley fries for supper because we're not really hungry. We're currently watching the Minnesota Tigers hockey game on Victory Plus. It's a good game. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. And yeah. Oh, look who could be. It's Rheanna. How are you doing?
I don't know, I'm having an off day today.
Yeah.
Woke up with a nasty headache this morning. Every muscle in my body hurts today, so I don't know what's going on. And I just feel kind of, yeah. So, yeah, that's kind of where today is.
Yeah, so it's been a chilled out day. We're just chilling out of the house stuff right now, just relaxing, watching the hockey game. So, talk to you guys in a little bit, and probably end the video then in there. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us for this evening. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, smash that like button. Check us out in all our videos. Check out all our playlists that we have on the channel. Share us out on your channels or on your social medias. Let people know that we're here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Good night, everyone.